Everything you did, every meeting you went to, every rep you took, every scrimmage play you played, it's all in preparation for today. Congratulations, Coach Dooley and Prairie View for a great game. Certainly they won the game convincingly. They did a very good job and deservedly won the football game. I'm really proud of our guys. I thought we fought to the finish. I thought when things looked really bleak early on, they showed the fighting spirit that we've always demonstrated, and they came back and fought to the end and tried to make a game of it. So in general, that's that's my opening comment. I'm encouraged about is that we've always demonstrated a fighting spirit at NCCU in my time there, and today was no different. And I think you always have a chance when you do that. We played some young men that grew up today, and we're going to have to build on that as well. Played quite a few players, but we're going to have to play more. And so we'll start with those things and build from that, and hopefully have a positive outcome in our next competition. Well, I think the approach that we're going to take is work on ourselves. Now, I was not pleased with the sloppy play at times, penalties, shooting ourselves in the foot, self-inflicted plays, some inefficient plays from our operation execution standpoint. That's a head coach's, nightmare, fear on first games. I was hoping that we could keep those down to a minimum. Obviously today we did not do enough, so we've got to eliminate those things. Once we eliminate those things, we'll be much closer in the ball game or ahead in the fourth quarter with a chance to win. So to answer your question directly, we're going to focus on us. We're going to focus on what we are, what we're not doing well right now, iron those out, and then pick up on the things that we have been doing well.
This has been an exclusive presentation of the NCCU Sports Network.